Have you ever considered that the colors of your meals can tell you more than just the aesthetic appeal? Believe it or not, the hues you see on your plate can significantly influence your overall well-being. Each color represents a unique set of nutrients, and understanding this can help you make healthier choices. For instance, vibrant greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals essential for energy and immunity. Bright oranges and yellows from foods like carrots and bell peppers provide beta-carotene, crucial for vision and skin health. Reds, such as tomatoes and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants that combat inflammation and support heart health. By including a variety of colors, you're not only making your meals visually appealing, but also ensuring a broader spectrum of nutrients. This colorful approach can enhance your meals, making them more satisfying and enjoyable. So next time you prepare a dish, think about how you can incorporate different colors. Aim for a rainbow on your plate, and let nature's palette guide you towards better health and vitality. Eating a colorful meal can be both nourishing and delightful, transforming your eating experience.